Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Here I make book related videos. So if you are interested in books, then do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about some amazing books that you can read in less than an hour. If you are new to reading, then you will find them easy to begin with. Even if you are an avid reader and are lagging behind your Goodreads challenge, then you can pick up some of these books. The books are from different genres like suspense, paranormal, spiritual, self-help, children's literature, etc. So without further ado, let's get started. The first book is The Blue Umbrella by Ruskin Bond. There is beauty in simplicity, and you cannot agree more when you read The Blue Umbrella. The book is very short, as you can see. It is just 82 pages long with some beautiful illustrations. The book tells the story of Binya, who lives in a remote hilly village. One day, she comes across some picnickers in a forest who buy her lucky charm in exchange of a beautiful blue umbrella. Binya carries the umbrella everywhere with her, and soon the blue umbrella becomes the talk of the village. Some are happy for her, while some are envious. The blue umbrella teaches Binya the ultimate lessons of kindness, sacrifice, and letting go. If I have to describe this book in one word, then it would be beautiful. The next book is Birthday Girl by Murakami. This is again a very short book with just 42 pages. The story is about a waitress who on her 20th birthday is asked to deliver dinner to the restaurant's reclusive owner. After an odd conversation, the man offers to grant her a wish, any wish as a birthday present. The book is really great for someone who is looking to dive deep into Murakami's world. In his classic style, the author leaves the story open for individual interpretation. The next book is The Amazing Hat Mystery by P.G. Wodehouse. If you want to read some good humor, then pick The Amazing Hat Mystery. The book itself is very short. It is just 85 pages long and contains 3 short stories. The Amazing Hat Mystery, Uncle Fred Flits By, and Trouble Down at Turtsley. As ever with Wodehouse, the plot is irrelevant here. You just simply sit back and enjoy his great way with words and his great sense of humor. If you're looking for a little pick-me-up book after an awful day, then The Amazing Hat Mystery is the one to go for. The next book is Sea Prayer by Khaled Hosseini. This is again a very short book of just 48 pages, which you can easily complete in half an hour. This short, beautifully illustrated book by Khaled Hosseini was written in response to the refugee crisis. It is a poem, but in essence a letter from a father to his son on the eve of a journey away from their war-torn country, a journey which is going to be extremely dangerous. Hosseini's words and beautiful illustrations will break your heart and fill you with compassion for the miserable plight of the refugees. The next book is The Present by Spencer Johnson. It is a quick and easy read. The book is just 103 pages long. It is the story of a young man's journey to adulthood, during which he is constantly reminded of a story he has heard from a wise old man about a mysterious gift, the present. The valuable lesson of living in the present moment is explained in this book in a very beautiful and interesting manner. I will recommend this book to anyone who needs a gentle reminder on living in the present moment. The next book is The 7 Spiritual Laws of Success by Deepak Chopra. The book is 111 pages long and serves as a practical guide to the fulfillment of your dreams. The book is very small, but it is packed with valuable wisdom. The book is divided into 7 chapters. The Law of Pure Potentiality, The Law of Giving, The Law of Karma or Cause and Effect, The Law of Least Effort, The Law of Intention and Desire, The Law of Detachment, and the last, The Law of Dharma or Purpose in Life. I will recommend this book to anyone who is looking to nurture his soul. And the last book is The Grown Up by Gillian Flynn. The Grown Up is a short story by Gillian Flynn, which won the prestigious Edgar Award for Best Short Story in the year 2015. The book is really short with just 67 pages. It is the story of a young girl who is an aura reader but actually is a sex worker. One afternoon, she is visited by a rich lady who believes that her large Victorian house is haunted. Seeing this as an opportunity to make money, the girl offers to cleanse the house of negativity. But once she goes to the house, she feels a strange malevolent presence in the house and soon finds that her own life is in danger. This story is a modern take on classic haunted house stories. It is full of spooky and creepy elements which will keep you to the edge. A must read if you are interested in paranormal stories. So these were my 7 book recommendations which you can read in less than 1 hour. If you like this video, do like, share and comment. Until my next video, bye and take care.